The program that I found online that I thought would benefit me and my class is called Remind. This program is really for teachers or students in that they can communicate with one another through a messaging system that doesn't allow them to send out personal information such as phone numbers or emails or anything like that. It allows us to send reminders for homework or different things that are happening the next day, like if they're having a spirit day or something like that. And so the way that you're going to do this is you're going to hit new message, and you can create multiple classrooms within this to where if you have multiple classes with different students and you want to send it to all of your classes, you can select them, or you can select specific people, or even you can select like a specific class, such as I made this class up for this class, and I'm going to click it, and I'm going to say reminder, homework 1 due tomorrow. And then this is going to be sent out to all of the students or the parents if you want to do it in that way. And then this shows here that it did go out through this classroom. And then you have your conversations right here. It's also going to show you the people that are in the class. So if you're on Miss Davis's homeroom class, it's going to show that here is a student, here is a teacher, which this is just a made-up class in this case. If you want to share files to the class, you will be able to send a file here. You can even do this between teachers if you want to share PowerPoints or something of that nature. And this allows them to see the files that you would like them to see, but nothing else. And then you can even click all classes, and it shows you all the conversations that you have. So yeah, I think this is really going to benefit students and teachers, and that they can remind each other about important things that are coming up, and there is no disconnect or non-communication. The ISTE standards that align with this is 1A, which says that all students have teachers that are actively using technology to meet those learning needs of the students. And I think that with the students, they are more technological savvy than our generation, and they really do need that in order to learn, and maybe they do need that extra reminder so that they can finish those things and know when things are due. I also think it aligns with 1C, which says model digital citizenship by critically evaluating online resources, engaging in civil discourse online, and using digital tools to contribute to the positive social change. I do think that we are pulling from all of the sources that we do have in order to find the best ways to teach these kids and really find the areas that we can connect with them in the best ways. So thank you guys for listening, and I can't wait to hear from you.